Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know you guys saw the title of this video. The G35 did indeed take a beating. Pretty, I wouldn't say too bad, but enough to hurt my feelings for the day for sure. I do want to go ahead and do today's shout out, daily shout out. It's going to go to Malachi Scarlett, who said a lot of hard work, but the smiles on y'all faces at the end lets the viewers know it's worth it. Definitely agree with that. It was 2 a.m. when we finished that job, but man, just being there with the homies and the bros, man, is always a good time working on cars, man. But anyway, thank you for the support. I really do appreciate it. And also thank you to everybody. I didn't say it in the last video, but we just crossed 24,000 subscribers, which is freaking awesome, which also leads me to say that if we reach 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year, I will go ahead and give away the GTR style taillights that I have here on my G35. Also, if you want a chance to get shouted out in the video, all you gotta do is comment down below and subscribe to the channel. With that being said though, before I show you guys the actual damages of the car, a lot of you guys know that I'm going through a state ref process, so I wanted to go ahead and go to this meet because I knew for sure there was going to be a cop there without a doubt. You know how people are, they rev it, cops show up, so I knew there was going to be a cop there for sure, and I wanted to go ahead and get some of my tickets signed off. But it turns out my ticket wasn't able to get signed off because I got state reffed and they blocked off the sticker, a lot of yada yada stuff. But on the way to the meet and on the way back, the freaking car got wrecked. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that footage. Enjoy that footage and stay tuned to the end of the video to show you guys the damages. What is up, gang? Welcome back to another video. We are here about to go to a car meet because I heard there's gonna be police officers there, and I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and get some of my tickets signed off. I know they're non-correctable, but somebody was telling me that I should just get them signed off, so we're gonna see if we can get the officers signed off. I have my state referee order of compliance and everything. I have it all, the paperwork, it's all good. And tomorrow, Thursday, oh no, tomorrow's not Thursday, tomorrow's Wednesday, so on Thursday I have my court date, and so I should be getting my fee or my fine reduced because of that state ref order of compliance. But I still want to see if I can get some tickets signed off here by some officers, and hopefully it'll help me out. I do plan on fighting it and see if I can get one charge dropped, and we'll see. But let's head out to the meet.
Follow me when I never thought it would have happened, and I never got love. Now they want to piggyback on everything I got. I never knew one from the bottom, but now I've had enough. Please stay away, find a new hobby, cause you've been too close to my personal space. Don't make me call out your names, but I'll go there and you gonna make me put you in your place. I'm trying to put my whole...
We just arrived to the location. There's a ton of cars, bro.
Side marker?
Yeah, my side marker.
It looked like a side marker too. I thought it was from Cena's car.
We got a 350Z converted Honda. We just ordered new side markers because ours flew off, so we just ordered some more. We do have a Rari in the building. Let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, it's a GT5. I don't know. Damn, how much? $100,000 Mustang. Oh, Robert! Robert! G35 Nation, 350Z Nation over here. Oh, this boy got half a bumper front delete. G35 Nation, okay, okay. We're currently in the freeway right now. Apparently one of my friends, Robert Ghost Flash, one of his friends owns a GTR, and his dad owns a BeDistinct. Oh shit. And his dad owns a Liberty Walk GTR, which is freaking an insane duo. Oh shit, okay. We got a GTR and his dad right after. Woo!
Bro, you see what you did for me?
That stupid dip. finally here. Either you skipped the video or you finally made it to the end. So let me go ahead and show you the damages. So one of the first damages comes in right here. My bumper, as you can see, look, it broke off. What happened here was that I kept bagging too low. And so when this bags down and the car lowers down, it hits against this freaking tire. And when it hits, it pretty much just kind of squishes this out. And I think it caused too much pressure and it pretty much popped it open. Issue number 2 is right next to it. We were driving on the freeway and my freaking side marker just decided to freaking skedaddle and fly off, man. To be fair, my side markers were actually only held by double-sided glue, which, to be honest, I'm a little impressed it lasted that long. But luckily for us, we ordered some yesterday and they came a day later. Super fast shipping by Amazon, man. You guys gotta give it to Amazon Prime, bro. Their shipping is absolutely incredibly fast. So not only was it bad enough that my freaking bumper broke off, I have to fix that, and that my side marker flew off. When you get bad luck, it hits you and it hits you and it just keeps getting shittier and shittier. And the day was over, the meet was done, my bumper already happened, my side marker already happened. We were gonna go take pictures with some of my friends because he wanted some pictures. It was late at night, like around 10:30, and there was this little small dip in downtown Sacramento. I was literally just going to park. There's a dip before the parking. Why would there be a dip right behind? I want to say I did see that freaking dip, but I never thought it would be that deep. And when I went forward, all I heard was but when we checked the damages, they were not friendly. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, my front splitter. If it was just a splitter, I don't think it would have broken, to be honest. I think it broke because of the splitter rods, of course, and like this does not bend at all. So without further ado, let's go ahead, jack up the car. Let's try to fix that part of the bumper. To be honest, this probably just popped out because it was already ripped from the past. You can see the tab in the back, how it's ripped. It was a circle, right? And you put the thing. And so at the very beginning, when I had my other wheels, my black ones, when I would bag down, it would really press on this, and that's what popped it out and ripped it from the very beginning. And so basically what happened now is probably it hit the tire a little bit too much and it just popped it out again. Holy crap, my thumb is crooked. Holy crap, what the hell? Now we need to solve problem number 2, the side markers. 3, 2, 1. There you have it. New side markers, bro, just like that. Alright guys, we got the side markers on. They're looking nice and crisp. Hopefully these don't fly out. We shall see. Now let's tackle the big one here. I found it funny how this freaking screw is all chipped up from like when I scraped it, and somehow the freaking nut still fits. It still fits. And now for the magic touch. How do we cover this hole? Look at that. You can't even tell. You cannot even. Nah, you could definitely tell. I mean, overall work, I'm gonna give ourselves a freaking 7 out of 10. Pretty successful. Side markers 10 out of 10. They look good. It's like nothing ever happened. So did the bumper. This thing staying intact. Like freaking 10 out of 10. This is probably the only thing, but I mean, we can make it work. We can make it work. I mean, it's history. I mean, this is stories we can tell to our children. This looks good, but what kind of story can I tell with that? On contrary, man, bro, I was trying to park. I freaking blew this thing. A lot of stories, a lot of memories, a lot of happy moments, bro. I'll take this any day. Anyways, yo, that's the G, and we are coming close. Tomorrow we have courts, actually. Tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. we have courts. We're going to be discussing the state ref situation. I'll let you guys know what ends up happening, how much I will end up having to pay, if anything gets dropped or anything. But Tomorrow's gonna go down. I'm gonna try to record it for you guys, but it's gonna go down tomorrow. It's gonna go down.